Let's start by saying that the importance of precharging refrigerant gas in air conditioning systems is a crucial topic that we must understand in order to ensure the efficient operation of these units. Refrigerant recharge is a common operation in the repair and maintenance of air conditioners. It may be necessary when the unit has suffered a leak, the compressor has been replaced, or any other type of repair has been performed that has required the system to be evacuated. What is refrigerant gas precharging? Refrigerant gas precharging is the process of charging an initial amount of refrigerant into the air conditioning system before completing the full charge. This precharge is performed to ensure that the system has enough refrigerant to operate effectively, but without forcing it. How is refrigerant gas precharging performed? Here are the steps. A. After performing the system leak test, for example with nitrogen, and performing the vacuum, with the system turned off, inject approximately 80% of the total refrigerant charge required. The needle on the gauge will rise significantly. B. If the unit has a high pressure port, perform this precharge on the high side with the unit turned off. Remember that split units do not have a high side port. C. In the case of split air, perform the 80% recharge through any valve, always with the unit turned off. You can do it in liquid phase, because the compressor is not working. D. After charging 80% of the refrigerant with the unit turned off, wait a few minutes to allow the gas to distribute throughout the system. This is crucial to avoid compressor shutoff problems due to an unbalanced refrigerant flow. E. Once the refrigerant has been dispersed properly, turn on the unit and start the recharge. F. The idea is to reach the 20% of the missing recharge, but verifying the correct pressure, and in parallel the amperage or current of the unit. Do it in vapor or liquid phase, depending on the type of refrigerant gas, but it should be done very slowly. G. If everything is correct, you should reach the 20% of the charge, without exceeding the maximum current allowed by the compressor, and without exceeding the pressure. H. If before reaching 20% of the charge, the unit may exceed the nominal current, or exceed the normal pressure excessively, stop the recharge, and wait longer with the unit turned on. I. Open windows and doors to add more heat to the room, and check for changes in pressures or amperage. J. Never let the compressor run with overcurrent. In case it does not stabilize at a value below the regular consumption, do not add more gas. You should suspect of a poorly executed vacuum, or equipment with lower cooling capacity, due to a change in compressor, capillary, or other component.